Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Uday and today we are continue 30 day of code challenge on HackerRank. Sorry for the delay, I am busy on some other work. So let's begin day 4, class versus instance. In this challenge, our task is write a person class with an instance variable as. Those who don't know what is class and instance variable, then they must follow this tutorial, and those who interested to watching videos content, then they go for Java beginner programming tutorials by the new Boston. Whatever you like, you can choose and start learning by the basic of Java. Okay, so our task is write a person class with instance variable as and the constructor that take an integer initial age, okay, as a parameter. The constructor must be assigned initial age to age, okay. After confirming the argument pass as initial age is not negative, okay. The initial age must be positive. If negative argument is passed, then initial age is the constructor should be age to 0, okay. If constructor is if initial age is negative, then we should make age equal to 0 and print age is not valid, so setting age to 0, okay. In addition, you must follow the statements on method, okay. The year passes, the age should be increased the age instance variable by 1. The year passes should increase age instance variable by 1, okay. द ईयर पासेस में हमें एज को एक मतलब बाई 1 से इंक्रीज करना है, ओके. एंड एम आई ओल्ड मेथड्स में क्या करना है, हमें कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट करने हैं. जैसे कि अगर इफ़ एज इज़ लेस देन 13, then we need to print you are young. If age is greater than or equal to 13 and less than 18, then print you are teenager, otherwise you are old, okay. So let's look at the input format, and I don't think that we need it because it's already provide the templates, okay. Here is the sample input like 4, 1 2 3 4, and sample output. If input is -1, then the output is saying the age is not valid, so setting age to 0, okay. If age is 10, then you are young because it's below 13, yeah. And here is 16, then you are young, okay. Yeah, basically this is the simple input output. You can read, otherwise you can accept it. Oh, okay. You are teenager if greater than or equal to 30 and less than teenager. You are young or teenager. 16 or 18, 16 or 18, sample input output, okay. So we have okay. So here is a person class, and here is the instance variable age, and in person this is the parameter that pass in initial age, and here we need to check, add some more code to run some check on initiate initial age. Okay, here we need to check the initial age is positive or negative. If negative, then we should make age equal to 0 and print like age is not valid, so then we setting up to 0. Okay, so then we need to if initial age is less than 0, then age is equal to 0 and system dot out dot println system dot out dot println. We need to copy that. Else if not negative, then age is equal to initial age. अगर नेगेटिव नहीं है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, तो हम इसे एज को इनिशियल एज से इनिशिएट कर देंगे. उसके बाद से एम आई ओल्ड, देन एम आई ओल्ड में हमें क्या करना है, एम आई ओल्ड में इफ एज इज लेस देन 13 देन प्रिंट यू आर यंग, एंड इफ एज इज ग्रेटर देन or equal to 13 and less than equal to 18 then print teenager. Okay, if age is less than 13, system dot out dot println you are young and else if age is greater than equal to 13 and age is less than 18, then system dot out dot println you are teenager. You are teenager. Otherwise this is UT, this is equated, otherwise print you are old. Okay, otherwise else system dot out dot println you are old. Okay, and the year passes, increment the age by 1. Okay, this means age plus plus. Is it complete? Let's run the code. Expected output डॉट 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 ओके, हमने डॉट छोड़ दिया तो हमें डॉट इंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स थॉट, दैट इज वर्क. ओके, age is not valid, you are young, so setting up to 0, you are young and you are young. Yeah, that's work.